Tornado warning right now for Anniston. This is the hail that's coming down. We've got some pretty big pieces of hail coming down right now. A tornado did just pass over here momentarily. I'm gonna videotape this. Y'all know me.
When I got the news, the world was ending. Panic took me by surprise. I told my neighbor, called my sisters. I warned everyone inside. All of us are in danger, terrible danger. We need to rally to survive, or else we'll vanish, completely vanish from the earth. We'll confront them and we'll survive. ever known. We'll die, we won't die alone. In time, everything we have ever known will die. We won't die alone.
the bolts are hitting the ground, so I know it is an active storm. I'm not hearing thunder with it, which doesn't make it any
If your
less
job is on your back and you ready to quit, you need to shake that shit. Just let them know. If you a chick that ain't thick with no ass and small tits, just shake that shit. That's right. If you ain't paid no rent and all your money is spent, you need to shake that shit. Listen up. If your day-to-day struggles got you stressing a bit, come on and shake that shit. Hit the lights. This man is ready for some action. Check it's an automatic reaction. Fellas, get it cracking. Ladies, y'all can start flashing like Janet Jackson. Let it loose, y'all. Don't fight me, get like me. Anything better for you than this is unlikely. You can't beat them, so join them. You got heaters, then point them to the sky and pop off to shake shit off. When shit is stressing you, don't let it get the best of you. We ain't no teachers, but we can share with you a lesson or two. Take a load off, go ahead and brush your shoulders off. Nod your head till your neck hurt, dance your toes off. You with the faculty. What that mean? That's like if y'all was stuck in triple-digit heat and wheeze the AC. Trigger arm got it covered like magnums. Long death to outlast them. Mel Gibson said this was my passion. If your job is on your back and you ready to quit, you need to shake that shit. Just let them know. If you a chick that ain't thick with no ass and small tits, just shake that shit. That's right. If you ain't paid no rent and all your money is spent, you need to shake that shit. Listen up. If your day-to-day struggles got you stressing a bit, come on and shake that shit. Yo, 12 strong, stay focused, trying to make a hit. In 98, I had my first real chance at the shit. Had a bunch of niggas signed over red and A&R the idiot. James Elliott, I had to shake him so fast, it was ridiculous. Didn't take it serious, another name to his list. Red Zone fam, members started acting funny, acting big, talking shit all over small money. But fuck that, shake that, monkey off my back, broke away from the root and those thinking contracts. Penetrating left and right, trying to make some sense. The only way to make it right is to do it all again. But back then, Damon didn't know what he had, but I wouldn't change my past, cause I'm on a new path. Elbow up, I aiming through the harpoon. Album coming real soon, stores make some shelf room. If your job is on your back and you ready to quit, you need to shake that shit. Just let them know. If you a chick that ain't thick with no ass and small tits, just shake that shit. That's right. If you ain't paid no rent and all your money is spent, you need to shake that shit. Listen up. If your day-to-day struggles got you stressing a bit, come on and shake that shit. Yeah. Now you can have a girl, give her the world if you wanna go that route. But if she acting all stubborn and ain't giving you no love, and tell that bitch to get out. No doubt. Whatever's bugging you, walk it off. Chip on your shoulder, knock it off. Go ahead, dead that, white chalk it off. Life's too short, we gon' live it with no limits. That's take notice and party hard till we finish. See, I put it out there, my heart on a silver platter. Articles for each magazine so y'all can read my data. I need to ante up, time for the pay up. It's the re-up, checks need to be cut. What's the hold up? No time for the slow up. Who this nigga I ain't, so fuck being held up. And here's a heads up, don't ever slow my flow up. Faculty will blow up, plus Damon's on the come up. If your job is on your back and you ready to quit, you need to shake that shit. Just let them know. If you a chick that ain't thick with no ass and small tits, just shake that shit. That's right. If you ain't paid no rent and all your money is spent, you need to shake that shit. Listen up. If your day-to-day struggles got you stressing a bit, come on and shake that shit. Yeah. My label stressing me about commercial hits. I just shake that shit. Girl, you don't need no implants. What you got? Come on, shake that shit. Yo, get a bill in the mail, ain't trying to see. I just shake that shit. You got a monkey on your back, man. You don't need that. Come on, shake that shit.
As I'm recording this.
Hey yo, J1 Production.
My name is still dangerous. It is dangerous for me to be doing this. I've been storm chasing for 9 years. So I do have a sense of respect for the storms. I do enjoy chasing. I enjoy capturing lightning like this on video. And I hope y'all pretty much like this. I love watching the beauty of lightning. Camera's broke. The one that took the high pics that I was able to take the pictures with, so I'm not able to do that anymore and actually get you some still shots, but I'm able to take the video and get you some video. I want to thank everybody that's been on the page. with us. There's no thunder with this. I haven't heard any thunder. The bolts are hitting the ground, so I know it is an active storm, but I'm not hearing the thunder with it, which doesn't make it any less dangerous. But 9 years of doing this, I want to thank everybody for allowing us to be a part of your Facebook page, and some pretty intense bolts that are coming out of this. Like I said, the storm's moving into Heard County, so I don't think I have too awful much to really worry about. Of course, lightning can hit from a mile away, and I'm probably within a half a mile of this storm, so I'm actually could get struck by lightning. I'm hoping, though, I do not get struck by the lightning. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this. I hope y'all enjoy watching this lightning, and thanks again for letting us be a part of your family and being a part of your Facebook page. And if you don't want all of our data or don't want to be friends, you can always subscribe to us. Right now we're working on a Facebook, on a actual YouTube page I'm working on, so every time I get video I can just send it in live, or send it in and then let all y'all view it. But hope y'all enjoyed this. There's a lot of great lightning bolts in this, so hope you enjoy it, hope you watch it, like it, comment, whatever you'd like to do. Thanks. Hope everybody have a great rest of the week, a great weekend, a happy 4th of July, and God bless. This is Nathan Bradley, aka Mad Dog, the owner of Southern Style Storm Chasing. Y'all have a great night, be safe, and once again, have a happy 4th of July.